Good morning, everyone. Um, Today we're gonna talk about the Linux, and Linux we're gonna talk about is going to be a really basic. The people those don't like Linux or scared from Linux and only Windows lover. Um, I think this lesson is dedicated to them, and I hope after watching this 20-minute video you will start liking Linux and you will say, actually, yeah, this is all right. It's not that bad. And the Linux version I'm going to talk about is Ubuntu. Ubuntu is a one of the Linux type, and you can we will play around with it. I will make a two video. The first video which is going to make which I'm going to make today is going to be a basic. So we're gonna install and we're gonna talk about Linux because I don't like doing theory first and then people just don't like the theory, get bored, and then don't care about the practical. What I wanna do is I'm gonna talk you through installing the Linux, um, and then we show you some basic Linux stuff in the Linux operating system. And then next video we will talk about the theory part, and then we use that theory in the virtual machine we created today. And I think that will make more sense for everyone. Happy? So first of all, I want you guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, this is my channel, Taj Space Inda, and there are a couple of the only 4 videos in my channel, which was about the VMware. If you haven't already installed, creating your first window virtual machine, creating your domain controller as a window domain controller, and joining that machine you created to that domain controller. Happy? Please subscribe my channel and let's start. So first of all, you guys need to go into this link. This link is already in the description. So if you go down to the description and click that link, and you will get presented here. In this um, page, you click download, and that will go into your download box. Happy? Okay, soon you done that, open your VMware. Alright guys, so soon you open your VMware, click creating a new virtual machine as like we did in Windows if you are following me from the first lesson. So we create the new virtual machine, click here, leaves as a default, next, and in the browser go into the ISO file you created earlier, Ubuntu's, and click on that, and you open that, and then next, and over here um, you put the your administrative account. So you can put anything. So I put root 4 or root 2, put root 4, and then password put root 4, and then password put root 4. Next, and virtual machine name, you can put your my underscore or my Linux. Happy? And then click next. And this is memory size you want to give, and then the summarize, and soon you finish, computer gonna do everything, and then after a couple of um, minutes, all the background check and all the processes which going to be installed, it's gonna present you with the welcome screen. Okay, so I'm gonna click finish, and then I will pause the video till the welcome screen is back. Happy? So click finish, and now it's gonna take me right. Okay, so it's gonna take a time, so I'm gonna pause the video, guys, and I come back. Alright guys, so we are back on to the welcome page, and here's my administrative account are presented in front of me, which I created earlier, root 2, and I click on the root 2 with and then I will enter the password which I entered earlier, so and then sign in. um, and now it will come into the Linux operating system. Here we are. Um, Anything on this side, left hand side, please ignore. I will cross that. Right, okay, this is better. Okay, right, guys. So, welcome into the operating system for the Linux and Ubuntu's. And if your operating system is slow at the moment, don't worry about it. Because your operating system might be connected to your Wi-Fi. Your virtual machine operating system might be connected to your Wi-Fi, and because of that, it is pulling all the updates, new patches, new security. I might ask you to install the new version and just click yes and agree and authenticate, put your password, and you're good to go. Happy? Right. Let's start from the left hand side and go to right. Okay. So on the left hand side, if you scroll up your mouse on the apps here, these all are apps. This is the apps bar. So in the window, there's a taskbar at the end. So this is apps bar or taskbar. So here is the Firefox, all the mails, files, all of those things. Happy? So you scroll up, you see even you can see the Amazon. You can remove the Amazon from here. Remove this is like a favorite. Anything you actually wanna easy access, this is where this is the place. Happy? Root2 is my administrative account and root2 is my machine name. So that's why I have a root2 folder here. This is like a file explorer. When you double click on this, you will get presented with this new window. And this new window have everything like you have in the Windows, in your window operating system. That's word, yeah. So over here you got desktop, documents, download, music, picture, video, trash, floppy disk. Well, floppy disk back in days, but other location will be DVD or any removable media you have. Okay, at the moment everything's open, empty, so you can see this is looks like your window operating system. Yeah. Also over here you can sort out, you can oh you wanna you can see the hidden files and everything is there. Preferences, keyboard shortcuts, everything you can manage. Happy? Cancel that. Over here you got trash. You can open the trash and like a window operating system, trash will be here. You can empty it. Happy? Right. That was top left hand side. Right. Let's go to bottom. So these are the actual apps. So this when you click here, all the apps will get presented here. Whatever the apps you have. So if you have more apps, you will be here will be more apps. If you don't, then it won't be. And again is a setting. If you click the setting, and you will get this. In the setting, you have details about daytime users, default applications, and things like that. So you can come back and you will get everything over here. So you got Bluetooth, any device connected to the Bluetooth will be here, and you can turn the Bluetooth on and off. I will suggest keep turning it off because hackers are could be around you. And you know what? Welcome into the Linux. This is all about hacking in the Linux is the keyboard. So if you are here, I'm sure somewhere in your head you are thinking about the hacking or you want to learn about hacking. Well, this is the place. Anyway, background. So as you can see, the different background, and you can see background on your machine, and you can see the background over here. Notification, any notifications you'll see, might be when you given the welcome screen, you've seen some online accounts, you just did skip, um, but you can come back here as like you do in your mobile phone, because your mobile phone is a Unix Linux operating system, isn't it? So this machine is pretty much like your mobile phone. All the apps are here, and you can adjust the notification if you want to receive it or if you don't want to receive it. Regions and language. So in my case, I set the US. You can set whichever you like to do so. Online account again, Facebook, Microsoft, all will be connected on your operating system. It's like your Unix or Linux machines in your mobile phone. Privacies, so set the privacy, location service, everything. You make sure your location service is off, guys. Okay, that's a suggestion from my side. All the apps are here. You know, these are the apps. You remember I said these are your favorites. So you're gonna right click on Amazon and you're gonna remove it from favorites. Here we go. That's gone. But your Amazon is still here, and you can adjust the notification and all those things. Happy? Okay, go back. Sharing. So if you want to share something, you want to say screen sharing or media sharing, anything like that with the other operating system. It's quite good application here. Sound, system sound or notification sound or mic sound or anything like that. Happy? Power options. Black screen every 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Then automatic suspend is off. Bluetooth again, you can turn it on or you can turn it off. Network, there we go. The network is quite good. This is really good options. At the moment it's turned on, and to go into the network setting, you click on this little setting button and you go to IPv4. Sorry, the details was what IP you're using and all those things, so I don't really want to show you guys. So in the IPv4 here, you will see all the automatic settings because my Linux virtual machine connected to my PC, which is my physical machine, and then my physical machine is connected to Wi-Fi. So that's where it's getting all the automatic updates. And in the IPv4 method is all automatic. So DHCP, dynamic host configuration protocol, which is getting all the IP address automatically from the DHCP server, which is my service provider. If I click here manual, all the automatics update from the internet will be blocked, because now this machine is thinking that I need a manual IP address to connect to a particular network, not specifically my Wi-Fi. Happy? So I'm just gonna go back to automatic. Same with the IPv6. So then you apply. If you do enter the manual IP address, you apply and then click OK. Well, that was done. Okay, and then go back. Device. In your device, you got display setting, keyboard shortcuts. You can have or you can disable it. It's up to you. Mouse. You want a left or right mouse, anything like little things like that. In window you right click and you go into personalized setting and you do everything over there. Over here everything is here, guys. You click setting and all the settings are here. You go into device and everything is here. Printer removal, media, what to do when you connect it. Should you want that media to ask you what to do with it? So everything is here. Colors, everything. All right, I hope you guys like this, and I actually like Linux. I'm a Linux fan, so yeah, that's good. So click cross. So we're done. The left hand side. So go back again. Settings. That's where you do your business. Happy? Go back. Oh, anyway, this is your file system. So this is your file, guys. This file, I just click root to and trash. All are same. Look at this. This you just change it wherever you wanna go. So trash property, that's trash, nothing, you know, and you're in trash. Root, happy? You can go in trash. You can go into home. It's all same. Happy? Even root is same. Happy? All everything is same, right? So you can go from setting to this, or you can go from trash to this. Is I think is quite good, you know. Right over here, you got April 6th, and you click over there. You go calendars for a year, and you got notification. Anything schedule, you made anything schedule over here, that will be show here in the notification. Happy? Let's go on to the right hand side corner. On the right hand side corner, you got four little indication. First one is for network, second one is for sound, third one is for your machine power off, power on button or restart. The fourth one is the error. All of them are connected to one click. It doesn't matter where you click. The one window will open. This is why it's opened. Okay, so over here you got sound, wired connection, root, which is the actual admin, and then you got setting, lock, and power. Happy? So this is a quick access. I know if you go down to the apps and you click setting, you go, you eventually can get into this, but this is like a quick one. You don't want to go to change the system volume into the setting and look for the setting. You can go just click here and turn the volume on, like up and down. Happy? And same with the power off button. You can go from there, you can go from here. Happy? Right, I'm just gonna click here into the setting, and that will take me back to setting again. It's quite good, isn't it? Right, so if you go into the details and go into save, go date and time here. So you can go date and time here, you can go date and time here. More setting over here, less setting over there. This is a quick access, this is the actual setting. You go into the user. So this is how you create a user in a Linux. So root 2 is my actual user, which my administrator, I will say, in a window operating system language. This is my administrator. And if you click unlock, ask you for a password, you go root to authenticate, and now you can see the option over here, add user. So in here you can say standard user or administrative user. I will say standard user. Put root 4, and in window, when you create a user account, it will give you the option, um, user can change the password in next login. When user login, and whoever the user is, you can able to change the password. In this case, you don't need to set a password. Just give a username and user will go log in. When he log in, ask you for a password, which is quite good. But you can also set a password over here, and after you set the password, you confirm the same password, and then you say apply. Happy? Right. And I don't want to set the password for new user. I say add. And here we go. User 4 is added. And you can remove the user by clicking over here. By so. Here we go. User is gone. Quite good. Alright guys. So I hope you like this. Guys, those you are new to my channel, please again subscribe it, comment, like. Commenting and liking my video and subscribing give me more encourage for making another video. So please do that. For the next video in the Linux, I will do some presentation, PowerPoint presentation, and with that, all the Linux command will be there. Not all of them, the most of them, and then we use this virtual machine to go into the command line and use those command here. So we do side by side both. So wait for the second lesson. I don't want to do the second lesson here because the video will be too long, right? So I appreciate your time, guys. So please like, comment, and subscribe my channel. That will give me more motivation. Happy? All right, guys. Thank you very much. Thanks for your time. And once again, link will be here. And this is my YouTube channel, Taj Inder. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. See you next lesson.